It's incredible the amount of support from this organization, from JDI and then the employees in particular. The amount of activities that they do to raise this money, it's mind-blowing.
Over 115,000 for us, so woo!
Fantastic event, always well organized and well run, and really happy to be a part of it.
Raised a lot of money. Our group, we hit our suppliers and customers up to support this great cause, which they were glad to do, and it's a lot of fun to be part of it.
And if it wasn't for JDI, we would be such a different looking organization. We wouldn't have the number of staff, the number of volunteers, the ability to recruit, and the ability to maintain the quality one-on-one mentoring programs that we do. And I know that on a personal basis because I became an in-school mentor and a big sister. And I can see the impact firsthand on one-on-one programming. So thanks to Mr. JK, the work that Deb Fisher does, all the employees of JDI, we couldn't do it. But you know, thank you. Those two words mean everything. They absolutely mean everything. So to Mr. Irving and all the work that they do under Deb's leadership and everybody else involved, our deepest heartfelt thank you.